brothers, sisters, and my dear people of God, 16th April 2018 would be his last joyful get-together with his priests on the occasion of the Easter blessing of the Archbishop's house. We saw him deeply moved by the emotional thoughts expressed by Father Vignan Das, who assisted the late Archbishop for the past few months. Joyful and fun-loving, the late Bishop Swami played his favorite bus game. Who among us knew that it would be his last before he departed to his eternal home to be with his Lord? Dear Archbishop Abraham, as you lie lifeless in this coffin and soon would be interred in a grave made for you before your Eucharistic Lord, whom you served for nearly 50 years as a priest, before the tabernacle of your cathedral, by the side of your predecessor, Archbishop Leobard de Souza, memories flood our minds and hearts, fond memories of our association with you. You lived your life, as Elton John has it, like a candle in the wind. Swift was your departure to eternity. 19th April 2018, a day that will always be etched on our minds. You were at the CBCI Center in Delhi with your brother bishops, concerned about the Church of the Hindi region. There you heard the Lord call you. Well done, my faithful servant. Enter into the joy of your Lord. As the evangelist Mark records, immediately you left everything to follow him. A true missionary that you were. You did not wait for byes and handshakes, but joyfully handed over your spirit to your master. Dear Bishop Swami, as we thank God profoundly for your life and the witness of your faith, our hearts cries out, from now on, our life will never be the same. Rest in peace, dear Bishop Abraham. Your labor is over, and the time for rest has come, till you rise again in glory. May your memory be eternal. On behalf of Very Reverend Father Jerome Pinto, the senior consultor and other consultors, and all the diocesan clergy of Nagpur, I express my deep appreciation to their beatitudes, your graces, your lordships, for coming here to bid farewell to our Bishop Swami. Thank you, dear priests and religious who came from far and near, especially from Khandwa. Thank you, dear people of God, for your love and support in this hour of sadness. Thanks for the spontaneous outpouring of grief which showed appreciation and love for your late Archbishop. And you, my dear sisters, brothers, nephews, especially Father Alex and Anil, grand and great-grandchildren of our late Archbishop, you who have come here to mourn the loss of your dear Popo Chayan. To you, a blessing is pronounced by the Lord. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. May this blessing be true in this time of need. Yes, dear Bishop Swami, You are no more with us here, but we are glad that we have gained you in heaven as our intercessor. Fare thee well, and God be with you till we meet again in the glory of heaven. Christian Life Commission, Archdiocese of Nagpur.
My dear brother archbishops, your eminence, dear bishops, fathers, sisters, and my dear brethren, Jesus